Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is in collaboration with Paper Planning and More from Yop and Tom. So this is a collaboration and I'm so much excited. I have been waiting for this parcel since so many days and I'm very excited to unbox this. So the wait is over. So here it is, a stationery item. So the packaging is so superb that the book inside is completely fine. So I'm taking the book out and I can see some cute washi tape. Hey, what is this? From Yop and Tom. Oh, so sweet. So first we will open this. Let me keep the box aside. And this book has this cute stamp. Oh, I can't just imagine that. It is so adorable. So first I am opening this brown little parcel. So they have a cute thank you sticker. I think these little things make us more happier. And if you are in India and you are ordering this, you will get this brown freebies. So I think there is a card. I'm not sure that what could be inside. So yes, there is a thank you card. And also there is a weekly planner. Wow. So if you are in India and if you order this, you are going to get this freebies. Thank you so much for your order. Hope you like the products and I will definitely read this after some time in person. And also we have some stickers. So these are so aesthetic and adorable stickers. I can see a cute puppy with a book. So this thank you card is also so aesthetic and this weekly planner is going to help me out to plan my week. And also they have a 10% off on our next order. So you can use this code thank you 10. So these were the freebies and I can see this printed aesthetic washi tape. So I'm so glad that they have used washi tapes because I can also use that again. So I am going to use this washi tapes again. I will just place it here. Or better, I can just place it on the other side of the parcel. Yeah, this is better, I guess. So the thing is that the freebies which I have got, they give us a more aesthetic feel and I think I will be very happy to use those stickers. So this is from Yop and Tom and this is an A5 size journal. So this is a dot grid journal. So it is also known as bullet journals. Let me focus the camera first. So we can see the brand Yop and Tom. And this is dot grid A5 journal. And the packaging is so good. I mean, you have to see that it is so perfectly packed. Yeah, now the camera is set. So I can see a little hummingbird with golden print. Let's open this. And the size of the book is also very good. The pages are so much means it will be used for more than 1 year, I guess. If you do journal regularly, I mean once or twice a week, it will be used for more than 1 year. And if you use it for yearly, I think it will be sufficient for 1 year. So I'm slowly opening. I don't want to damage my pages. Let's slowly open this. And this bullet journal, the dot grid journal, is, I think the quality is so premium. Means when I'm holding this, I can feel that even the leather used on the upper side is vegan leather. Yes, you heard it right, it is vegan leather. So they are not only making different products, but they are also taking care of our planet. And I think living in this generation or this decade, it's so important for us to take care of our planet. So this is our bullet journal. Oh, it feels so premium. First I have to remove this for opening. So first I am slowly removing the band. And here we can see their name, Yop and Tom, from Paper Planning and More. And not only they have bullet journals, they have amazing sticker collections. You can just visit their website. I will link everything in the description box. Hey, and here I can find a grid guide. And also we have their card. So they are saying thank you for ordering from them. We hope you love our purchase. We are proud to offer you satisfaction guarantee with all our products. Oh, that's so sweet. And I would like to thank Tom for doing this smooth collaboration. So this is grid guide. So basically when you use bullet journals, you are always in need of grid guides. So no need to purchase it separately because Yop and Tom are giving it for free. So also we can see this journal belongs to, we have a plain paper which says that our name, our email, and also we have key, so we can put our bullet journal colors, and we have index, 3 pages for index. I think that will be enough for the whole book. And the paper quality is so thick. And also when I am turning the paper, it completely lays down. So it is not like I am not able to open the pages so quickly and I am struggling. So I can quickly open the pages. And apart from that, they also have a pen test page. So I think this is the most amazing feature. We can use any pen here. We can see whether our pen works with this journal or not, because being an artist and being using stationeries from so many years, I always feel that there is not any pen test page. So also they have this bookmark. And the bookmark matches with the cover of the book, and that too it is a vegan leather. And this hummingbird in golden color is like a cherry on the top, or I can say icing on the cake. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you loved the dot grid journal, then remember that you are going to get this little freebies with it. And also they have vegan leather books, so they are also concerned about the planet, and I am so glad to promote a product like this. And also I will give the link in description. You can easily purchase from there, and do follow their Instagram page, that is Yop and Tom. And also, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and share this video with all the stationery lovers. And I will be back with a new collaboration, with a new video concept. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.